Thanks for joining me for Sound of the Week this week. You found so many items. 2 kitties at once. I wonder if you can see Violet. Clover is sitting in my lap, and Violet came to check it out. She was interested in joining us for the end of Sound of the Week, too. Let's sing the Sound of the Week song to end Sound of the Week, shall we? 1, 2, 3. Sound of the Week. 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 Magnolia, there are 2 kitties here. 2 quiet kitties for Sound of the Week. Oh. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye. You want to say bye, Clover? Bye.